I bought another VW, so let's get right into it and let me tell you a little bit more about
this classic 2000 VW TDI Beetle. You might be wondering why I chose this car. After all, it's not exactly a typical or popular daily driver. But there's something special about these little bugs. Specifically, this engine. It's a 1.9 ALH turbo freaking diesel. In this episode, we're gonna give it some love. Regular oil changes are vital for keeping your engine healthy and maximizing its lifespan. If you've never changed your own oil before, I'd encourage you to give it a try. It's one of the first tasks I started doing when I got my first car. So go get you a wrench, a drain pan, a lift, and of course some fresh oil, and get to it.
Very good.
As a quick inspection, everything looks good, pads look old, but still have a lot left on them. All the bushings looked fine, also no cracks, and still supporting what they need to support. Next, we're moving on to bleeding the brakes. This step is crucial because my brakes didn't work well. Over time, moisture can get trapped in the brake lines, which affects everything. I'd recommend a brake bleeder kit if your friends won't help you because they hate your car, and some fresh brake fluid. It's a good idea to consult your owner's manual for some friends and the correct type of brake fluid, or that info is probably on the top of your brake reservoir cap.
So much better.
Now it's time to clean the interior. This car is absolutely disgusting. And a clean cabin makes for a more enjoyable driving experience. Even though this interior is absolutely garbage, I'm still gonna clean it. So grab a vacuum, some microfiber cloths, and your favorite cleaning products. Let's get started by removing any trash and personal items. I go back and forth on how much of a detail I should give it. I usually take the seats out and really get into the cracks and crevices, but it feels weird cleaning broken plastic that should just be thrown away. I'll do some more on the interior, but we'll save that for another video. Let's focus on the exterior now. A good wash can make a world of difference in how your car looks. I forget Farsha. Diesel only. Maybe that's what we should name this bug. Farsha. That drain hole a little bigger. Yep. I'm gonna actually take this off and clean up the little drip trays because I can see in there and it's pretty gross. Yeah, I'm glad I'm doing this. Now I'm convinced that the best thing you can do for your car's interior, just clean the windows. No smudges. Come on. And instead of buying new windshield wipers, I just get a can of Rain-X and just use that. Then I don't ever have to use my wipers. I decided to use this since all I need to do is add it to the tank. Super easy. And hopefully it works good. Make sure you use diesel fuel. Super important for our TDI. It's now time to do what I've been waiting for.
Let me just show you a little bit more and all the issues that are still happening with it. So first of all, the key, when I unlock the door for the first time, you have to pull the handle and then pull it again for it to work. And then after that, it works. I don't know. So obviously it's got rips. The door, it's slowly been falling apart each and every time I get in and out of it. So there's a lot of cosmetic things that still need to be done, still need to be worked out. It kind of sticks, doesn't always go into first. So what I've had to do is go into second and then go into first, and it works like almost every time. Also, when I push it down, it stays when it's supposed to come back up. So this is definitely something I still have to fix. So under the hood, it's got a relatively new battery, which is great. So the AC compressor is new, which is great, but what the guy had to do is wire in a switch to turn on the AC compressor clutch because the button in the car didn't work anymore, so we kind of rigged it up like that. So I plan to put that back eventually. And as you can tell, fog lights are busted, and this is held on by a strap and some wire tie. But again, it's all cosmetic. It's all things I can live with. The windshield wiper fluid tube going to the sprayers is broken here, so that doesn't work either. And this passenger door does the same thing as over there sometimes. Sometimes you have to go and open it from the inside, and then you're able to open it. A lot of weird electrical issues that we'll sort out. So now what will I do with this car? Well, my friends make fun of me for driving it. My wife doesn't mind it, right? She's back there shaking her head. All in all, I spent $1,200 on the car and another like $200 on fluids and filters and things like that. I think these bugs should make a comeback. What makes this car so unique is that it is a diesel. Yeah, they are pretty ugly, but the more I look at it, the more I like it, but also the more I think it's ugly. So if you're thinking about getting into a diesel, I think this is the perfect car to do it, since they are pretty simple to work on and there's a lot of forums out there that you can get some info on it. So with all that work that I've done on it, it's now ready just to be my daily driver. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the name Farsha for this car, go ahead and leave a comment. If there's anything else you want to see me do with this car, go ahead and leave a comment below and subscribe for more.